Hey there guys, Rialdo, and this is your Vibro from Tech Week. And so today we will be doing the review of the Microsoft Chromium based web browser. It is the Microsoft Edge Chromium based web browser. I know it's a really long name, but it does make sense, and it's just really awesome. Microsoft Edge Chromium based web browser was out, like it was in beta and alpha build, but right now it has come up as the rock solid stable build. So I have been checking out this web browser since yesterday, and I got really positive impressions about it. Right now I am on the settings page, and if you're interested in downloading and installing this up over into your system, you can go ahead in the link in the descriptions and go ahead and download this thing up. The link will be around this one, so there will be ads. You can go ahead and download it up from here. It's just totally amazing. You should go ahead and try it out by yourself. But remember, once you install it over into your system, your Microsoft Edge that comes pre-installed over into your Windows will be replaced by the Microsoft Edge Chromium. So that's not a bad thing. It's a pretty great thing, and that's pretty much it. That's the thing that you should need to know. All right, closing this thing up, and let's take a look at the things that we get here. If we go ahead into the three buttons here, we can see that there are three icons over here. These are nothing but the extensions. These are Chrome extensions that I just installed over into this Microsoft Edge Chromium as well. So that's an awesome thing. You can also use your Chrome based extensions over into this one. So that's an amazing thing. There is also a dedicated Microsoft Store for extensions as well. Get extensions from Microsoft Store. So that's awesome as well. And it is in beta, by the way. It will be solid once again later, I guess. I don't know. So if you could not find your desired extensions, you can go ahead and use your Chrome extensions as well. They're going to be working out just fine. And after going away, there is print, final page, more tools and stuff. Go to settings, and this is what settings looks like. Help and feedback, what's new, tips and tricks. You can go ahead and just take a look about what are the things that is new here. Don't worry, the tips and tricks link will be also there in the description, so you can go ahead and take a look at it by yourself. And okay, that's amazing. It is also available for Android and iOS as well. So awesome. And also there is an exclusive feature. It says that close Microsoft Edge. Boop. All right. Keeping that thing aside, now we are as in the settings, and on the top we get the profile. So let's take a look at it. Says your personal profile. Your profile can also add a profile and stuff like that. Manage account sync, passwords and stuff like that. After I just installed it over into my system and then imported all my settings and passwords and stuff like that from Chromium, it was a seamless transformation. Seamless transfer, not transformation, transfer from Chromium to this web browser. And it's just amazing. If you ask me what is the best web browser that I'm using right now, obviously this one. It's just totally amazing. It's totally worth it. And then let's go to privacy and services. It says balance. There's strict blocks all major trackers from the site and stuff like that. I'm just using it balanced because it's recommended settings. And oh, you saw my name. That's good. Okay, and it's clear browsing data, privacy and stuff. Help improve Microsoft Edge if you want. You can go ahead and do some social service. Go to appearance. You can just change your themes. You're light, dark as well. And you get here the favorite bar. So it's only one new tab and stuff like that. And these are basic customization of the browser. On startup, I have set it to momentum. If you don't know what momentum is, this is what momentum is. It just shows you the time, says good morning to myself, and also beautiful backgrounds that helps me to love my earth more. And there is a new tab page, which is also controlled by momentum as well. Site permissions, it just gives you a clear cut knowledge about all the permissions that are asked by different kind of sites. Downloads, language at different language, printers at printer system, use hardware acceleration and stuff like that. Reset settings if you did something really bad. It's really an awesome feature to just reset everything. And back to where we started, that is about Microsoft Edge. yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you are interested in just downloading this thing up, you can go ahead in the link in the description. It's an amazing web browser that has come up. I'm really loving it. I am a Microsoft user that is a Windows user, and so Microsoft Edge has come up. It's awesome. I did test that. I did search in the web, like in YouTube, to search some good videos related to it, like reviews, but I couldn't find it. So I thought of just making it one for myself. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked it. If you got any queries, you know how to reach me. The comment box is down below. And if you want to follow me up in Instagram, my Instagram page will be, not page, my name will be up on the screen. So you can go ahead and follow me out. And also you can DM me right there. That's pretty much it. Have a great day. God bless you all. And just be awesome. You know, take care of others. And yeah, enjoy your life. Thank you.